Hi, I'm Luis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to show you how to clean a bell pepper. Typically, the red, the yellow, and the orange bell peppers tend to be a little bit sweeter than the greens. The greens tend to be a tiny bit bitter. So anyway, first and foremost, I'm going to take the top of this pepper off, and we can actually render some usable product out of the edges here, and I'll show you how to do that here in a second. The first thing you'll notice is the seeds on the inside, and they're connected actually to the pepper itself. So the easiest way to go about doing this is I just use the knife to separate the seeds from the middle gently. That way you can just pull this out of the pepper. Okay, so that's the majority. What we'll do now, slice down the pepper this direction, and that gives you a better look at what's left on the inside. And this we're just going to shave off. I'm just keeping the knife parallel to the cutting surface that way. Take this out. We'll do the same thing on this side. That leaves. I can pull this out with my hands as well. Alright, so we've got a bunch of usable product here that's ready to go. And again, I can pull this one out. Most of it will come off with your fingers, but you may have to go back and shave some. So we'll do that. Hold this knife parallel, and I'm really just using the tip of the knife, to be honest with you. It makes a lot more accurate cut this way. And that goes. And that's all done. Now it's ready for a dicing or a julienne cut, which I'll show you later. And this product that's left over here, we can just cut diagonally around the top. And again, we can't make a julienne cut out of this, obviously, but we can dice it and use it in a recipe of sorts. So that's how you break down a bell pepper.